Hi everyone, Rhonda Robson with Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry, and today I'd like to try something different. For the next few weeks, I'm going to do a series on how to start pouring or how to start fluid art or acrylic fluid art paintings or acrylic pouring from the start, right? There's many videos out there about how someone does a painting like the ones behind me. With COVID-19 flipping our world upside down, I thought I would just go back to the basics and help people to be able to do painting, fluid art, pouring in their homes. And how do you get started, and what items do you mostly need just to get started? Today I posed a question in one of our Facebook groups. Heard about people in their spaces and that the once area that they could pour in or paint in no longer exists because they now have to work at home. I'm one of those people that work at home, but I'm lucky that I have figured out a spot in my home. It's not a studio, it's just an area of my basement that I actually are able to paint, and I keep it very tidy and very clean. And so how do you do that? How do you go about staying motivated when you have to pick everything up, that type of stuff? So in the next few weeks, that's my plan, is on Sunday mornings I'm going to be posting how to for beginners, or to help people get more motivated again, how to go back to the basics of what we love to do so that we can get on with our lives. Maybe not so much getting out in the community and being able to hug somebody or give somebody a high five or something like that, but something that we can get motivated so that we're not stuck in our couches or in our seats. Something that motivates us to get out and start painting again. So every Sunday morning, for me, it's going to be 9 Central. That's where I'm at. I'm in Sioux City, Iowa. So I'm going to be posting these 9 Central for anybody to be able to use. Because the way I look at it, if I have an idea and you have an idea and we share those ideas, we now both have 2 ideas that we can do something unique with, right? So I just want to share what I know and what I've learned through my journey of painting. Don't forget to subscribe and to click the notification bell, and of course, don't forget to comment below. All right, bye for now, but look forward to those every Sunday morning. Bye.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Tell me what you liked about this, what you'd like to see in the future, and then of course don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you can get notifications when I get a new video up. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye for now.